Rounder teardrop implants? It's an easy decision if you understand it. Hi, I'm Dr. Studin, and we're taking a look today at whether you should pick round or teardrop breast implants. Many people incorrectly feel that using a round breast implant creates a phony-looking round breast. Not true. What creates a phony-looking round breast is not putting it under the pec muscle. When you put your implant under the muscle, it sweeps off the collarbone, makes a beautiful curve as it hides the edges of the implant, helps to hold it up later, and is better for mammograms. I cover that in the breast implants under or over the pec muscle video. So when you have a round implant under the muscle, once it settles, it looks great and perfectly natural. So why then did they invent teardrop implants? I believe it was a marketing gimmick, and here's why. When you have a round breast implant, the implant's flat on the back and round on top. A teardrop is smaller on one side and bigger on the bottom, the idea being that when you hold it up, it's more of a teardrop or natural shape. Well, the reality is that this is a round implant. When you lay down, it's round. When you stand up, it's already a teardrop because the weight of the filler stretches the bottom. And the problem with that is as you stand up for months or years, the weight of the filler will stretch the bottom a little more and a little more until the top is empty. And that creates two problems. Problem number one is that now the implant looks saggy because there's nothing on top. Problem number two is the front of the implant can theoretically rub against the back and increase the possibility of failure. And so to me, a round implant does not make a phony-looking round breast. It makes a very natural-looking breast when placed under the muscle. And the teardrop implant is simply a marketing gimmick, and I don't think it's a great idea. You don't want a breast that looks saggy later.